So I think that to truly be productive, you need to be intentional with how you spend your time. And that's why I like to start prepping for the work week on a Sunday and review the week that was. So here are 4 of my favorite end of week reflection journaling prompts just to help you feel more prepared for the week ahead. So the first one is, how do I feel after this week? The second is, what went right? The third is, how can I make next week better? And the 4th prompt, which is one of my favorites, I really would make sure you don't discount this one. It's, what should I spend more time on next week and what should I spend less time on? And this might give you an indication of whether you've been prioritizing enough self-care, maybe your workaholic tendencies kind of kicked in this week and you need to pull back a bit. Maybe you need to spend more time with your loved ones and socialize a bit more, or make more time for your creative outlets and hobbies. So again, it just gives you more awareness of how you've been spending your time. And rather than just doing the same thing over and over again and getting stuck in that loop, you can actually be really deliberate with where you allocate your attention and energy.